Make no more promises you can't keep. No more lies and neither mistletoe kiss. Don't need a glitter package gift under my tree. Just need you here, that's all I need. I want a merry little Christmas by your side, by your side. Christmas with you, Christmas with you, Christmas with you, Christmas with you. Make no excuses this time, just be here. I decorated this house for us, for you, dear. So the magic carpet season with me. All I really want is Christmas with you, don't you see? I want a merry little Christmas by your side, by your side. I want a merry little Christmas by your side, by your side. Christmas with you, Christmas with you, Christmas with you, Christmas with you. And your year is on its way. You just are ready to be filled. I hope this time you'll stay with me on Christmas Day. We stay. Oh, just stay. Please stay. Christmas with you this
Trust me, if you make a wish, it will come true. Trust me, because I will do it too. Someday, when winter says us farewell, you and I will find our holy grail. The new is coming, so we need to be prepared, right? Cause magic gonna happen to us on this night. It's time to make some presents for someone and sing some Christmas song tonight and evermore and more. I know that you will have a party in your home for sure, that you will dance and laugh with all you care and love. So keep your wish until you let it go, and then continue having the best time of the year. Come on, it's midnight, let's party, come join me. 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 Ask me, what can be better than have fun? Trust me, it's things that are yet to come. This year will bring much better things in come. Trust me, because of the darkest dawn. The new is coming, so we need to be prepared for the ride. Cause magic gonna happen to us on this night. It's time to make some presents for someone and sing some Christmas songs tonight, need more and more. I know that you'll have a party at your home for sure, that you will dance and laugh with all your care and love. So keep your wish until you let it go, and then continue having the best time of the year. Come on, it's midnight, let's party.